Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect mobile hotspot to your laptop or PC. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to turn on mobile data. So here you can see I just turn on mobile data and open phone settings and select hotspot. So here you can see portable hotspot, simply select it. Right now here you can see this option is for turning on, just turn on, and here you can find the option set up portable hotspot. Right now there have two options for changing your hotspot name. Here you can see you can easily change your hotspot name, and here is for password. So you can easily change your hotspot password from here. After done it, just make sure you turn it on. Right now go back and open your laptop Wi-Fi. So here you can see, right now here you can see this is my hotspot name. Simply select it, and I already give password, and if you are the first time, you just need to type your password and easily connect it to your laptop. Just select connect. Here you can see the Wi-Fi already connected. This is mobile phone hotspot. So in this way you can very easily connect your mobile phone hotspot to your laptop or PC. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.